Hi, my name is Sonali and this is Translate.Video. Today we are going to talk about AI text-to-speech. So what is text-to-speech? So it simply means when you put in a textual content, the AI can generate speech for you. Before, TTS was robotic and monotone. Now, with the advancement in the technology, the voices have become very lifelike with human emotions and intonations. And now, it's not just simple TTS. We have come to an era where you can add voiceovers, add languages to videos in a matter of seconds. So now let me show you how you can add voiceovers to any video that you want using Translate.Video. So this is a Translate.Video dashboard. You just have to drag your file here and then you can start the process of adding AI voices, generating TTS to your videos. So I already have a pre-processed file. So let me just quickly show you how it all works. So the video that I have chosen, it does not have any voiceover in it. So I'm just gonna play the original video. So this is how it looks like. And after I generated voice in it, this is how it looks like.
Welcome to Translate.Video, your one-size-fits-all solution for video translation. Translate videos to 75+ languages using human-like AI voices. Sign up right away to www.translate.video and avail your free minutes.
Now here, if you want to make any changes, if you want to add any words that you want the AI to speak, you can just edit it from here itself. And just like that, you can add voices to your videos, you can change the voices, you can add different voices, you can change the gender of the voices as well, and that's it. This is how you can add AI voices to your videos using text-to-speech. And if you want, you can just export it from here. You can select the video language. So we have generated the video in English, so let's just select English. You can select the resolution and just click on export, and that's it. Translate.Video is not just giving voices to text, it is also bridging the linguistic gaps and making content universal. If you like the video, do press the like button, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below, and do subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.